One of the first things that we do with students is actually help them experience what it feels like to pay attention. At our centers, we use a variety of balance and movement activities to do that because in order to balance, you have to pull in your focus. So one of the things that we do is we have our students walk on a low balance beam. We have them walk forward and backward slowly, looking at an X. So we put an X up on the wall at eye level, and we have them focus their eyes on that X. Now, if you're doing this at home, you could put a piece of painter's tape down on the floor. You could have them walk on a curve, maybe a line on the tile or on the patio. We just want the student to be able to walk in a straight line forward and backward and keep their eyes on a target, and we use the X. So when students start to do this, a lot of times they're going too fast, they're kind of wobbly, their eyes are looking all over the place. Maybe they're walking like super stiff, or they're not blinking, they're just staring. And so we want to very gently coach them. Relax your shoulders, wiggle your fingers, blink your eyes, walk nice and slowly forward and backwards. So we're just going to do a little bit of coaching. Mostly, we're going to let them work it out in their own body. And then when they have made a change, so you can see, they're starting to settle into it, they're slowing down, they're getting a little more comfortable. Then we have them step off of the balance beam or off the line and just close their eyes if they're comfortable with that, and imagine an X, and then take a couple of slow breaths. What we're trying to have them do there is to just kind of anchor the feeling of being focused. And then we can talk with them about that. We can say, okay, just remember what this feels like. And we can talk about when they first started walking, how they were wobbly or how they were chattering, and now compare the feeling to now when they are more focused. Now, of course, this is going to take practice. It's not going to happen just doing it one time. But with some practice, they start to recognize the difference between being focused and not focused. It's really hard to control something when we don't recognize or have a frame of reference for it.